How to create a mini greenhouse update. Hello everybody, the mini greenhouse, a little bit of update on the mini greenhouse that we made like 2 weeks ago. So I just wanted to show you how the plants are doing since we planted the plants about 2 weeks ago. Temperature in here has been constant at about 77 degrees, 78 degrees. So some seeds came out, some seeds did not come out yet. Some are still coming out, like this one still coming out, but we have plants that need to be transplanted with a little bit bigger container. So like if you haven't seen the first video, please check out the first video on how I put together this mini greenhouse that I'm going indoor right now. So I'm gonna attach the video on the top right hand corner on the video on how I made the little greenhouse, and it seems to be working very well. Plants are coming along. So have different varieties of peppers here. This is a ghost pepper. And that one is habanero, and here you have the regular green pepper. Okay, thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you can get updates on the greenhouse and the gardening, so and other stuff that's coming up. So thanks for watching and have a great day.